Hello everyone. So this video is hopes for the future. So a lot of my hopes for the future actually correspond with my hopes for my business. I would like to eventually have this business at a point where we have the app created to where it's helping everyone with EDS, that they have the option of using it either for free and having ad supported, or of using it on a pay basis to get rid of the ads, that it covers everything needed. It has a chance for online, digital, whatever, medical records to make it so you don't have to take in your binder. You can just take your phone with you, which most people have with them anyway. That it can warn you if there's concerning symptoms, or if when you have a certain thing happen, it usually happens when you've eaten a certain thing or done a certain thing. Can have a calendar that can give you reminders on meds refills or to take meds, or just different doctor's appointments, etc. Has a journaling area to just journal how you're feeling and anything else you want. Even cooler would it be if I could get it to link to different scriptures. For those of you who use scriptures to meditate, you could have it jump back and forth, so you could read just the passage that meant a lot to you, or you could go read the whole passage, both before and after, different things like that. Plus also have PT suggestions, exercises, if you already know where you need to work because you've worked with a physical therapist and they've said, okay, you need to strengthen this, this, and this. Or if you aren't currently working with a physical therapist and things may have changed, whatever, that it'll have some tests available that you can do to figure out where your weaknesses are, where your strengths are, and be able to figure out the best way of working out those different areas so that you can strengthen, have ways to know what to do with different locations, certain locations. You can check at home, deal with them, not a problem. Other dislocations, if you have not seen someone for it in the past, it's not recommended you try and put them back on your own, because there's so many nerves and everything else. A big one's the shoulder. You could literally make yourself not have movement of your arm and have to have surgery and maybe not ever get full movement of your arm and hand again if you put it back wrong. So have that available, that information. Maybe from there even be able to take it a step further and be able to share this with other chronic illnesses like diabetes, etc., where people can track their blood sugars through and have them in the app, so when they go into their doctors, they can pull out the app and show the doctor what's going on, or someone, and maybe even just have a general one where people who have no diagnosed chronic illness can pull it out and say, this is what's happening at this time, and this is what's happening at this time, etc. What do you think? Does this help figure out what's going on? Definitely having a place in the app for EDS to keep track of the different Barton scales, pictures and things like that. So you don't have to re-show each doctor. What you can do when they ask, can you do this or can you do that? You can pull it out and show that, yes, you can, but without having to do the tricks for each new doctor. So that's my hope for the future. I really think that would help the community as a whole. Otherwise, I have a few others. It would be nice if they can find the genetic link for HEDS. I really think there's more than one, but I think that there are genetic links, And it would be nice to be able to figure out where those things are, especially because I believe that a number of people in Utah have it that it's not known about. And I'd like that awareness to be raised even more, to where people realize there's that scale, and some people are really bad, some people are really easy, but there's support there for all in between. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.